If you're new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please click the red subscribe button and also click on the bell icon to get notifications whenever I'll upload a new video. Now that you have dived into the awesomeness, let's just see what we've got in today's video. Here I have a Coastal Scents hot pot in the shade Dark Mango. I don't know why my camera is not showing the proper color. I think, yeah, that could be the color. So I'm taking it onto the fluffy blending brush and I'm going to apply it above my crease. Once Dark Mango is done, I'm going to take another Coastal Scents hot pot, which is pomegranate red. I'm taking this fluffy brush and I'm going to take the shadow on this brush and will apply it to deepen up my crease area. So I'll just apply that color just slightly below the color, slightly below where I applied the first color. So it gives me a nice transition, and that is what I'm aiming for. A bit more dense blending brush. I'm going to take this eyeshadow, which is called Indigo, and I'm going to apply it just below where I applied my crease color. For this look, I'm taking everything into my inner corner as well, putting it onto my outer corner of my eye as well, just to create a V shape. Now I'm going to take a flat shader brush and another Coastal Scents hot pot in the color Electric Blue, and first I'm going to take this color on this brush and apply it all over my eyelid. The space where I did not apply any eyeshadow, I'm going to apply this color first. To intensify the color, I'm going to spray some makeup finishing spray onto the brush. And then I'm going to dip the brush in the color. That makes such a difference, you guys can see here. Now taking another flat shader brush and the color Indigo again, and I'm going to take the color on this brush and I'll just deepen up that indigo color. Just to make it more defined. I'll just quickly do my liner and my lashes and I'll be back. So after struggling for more than 40 minutes to apply this lash onto my eye, I'm back and kind of frustrated. Let's just move on. So now it's time for lower lash line. I'm going to take this pencil brush and I'm going to take our pomegranate red color that I applied to deepen up my crease. So I'm going to take that color and apply it onto my lower lash line like so. Once that is done, I'm going to take the other end of the brush from Urban Decay Electric palette and I'm going to take that, whoops, I'm ruining my eyeshadows. I'm going to take that electric blue color and I'm going to take that color here and apply it very close to my lash line. Nothing happened. Okay, there you go. Once that is done, I'm going to apply some mascara onto my lower lashes and it should be good. And this, you guys, is the final look. I just hope you guys loved it as much as I did, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time in another video. Till then, take care and keep smiling. Bye.